up, y'all? Welcome to Queer Space with Jace. This is not a queer background. I'm filming in a different area of my house. Today's topic is a quite requested topic on how to deal with shot anxiety. Now, just a little background information. I've been on T for 9.5 months. Today is December 15th, 2017. As I am filming this, I started T February 24th, 2017. For the first 3 months, I was on 1 milliliter of testosterone bi-weekly. I still do my shots bi-weekly, but then after the first 3 months, I got switched to 0.8 milliliters because my T levels were too high. I inject into my thigh intramuscular shots with a 25 gauge small needle. I withdraw with 20 gauge. For the first month, I did not do my shots by myself. I went to a clinic. On my 4th shot, after about a month, I got my prescription and I did it myself. I have not gone back to the clinic to have them do my shot. Some people do, that's okay. If you can't do it yourself, that's also okay. If you have a partner, like your partner or a friend who does it for you, or your parent, that's okay. One of my friends, his ex used to do his shot for him, and he would just get it in his rear end. His girlfriend would do it in his rear end, and he would, like watch videos on his phone, or like some people listen to music, that's okay. The other night, last night, I had 3 beers, and my shot days are Friday, every other Friday, bi-weekly, and I was kind of buzzed. I'm 23, so I'm legal to drink, is good, but I didn't have any anxiety, which is great. Didn't really care about the pain. It was great. I mean, I felt it. It just didn't really care until I woke up the next morning. I was like, wow, my thigh feels bruised. That's the thing. Another thing, if you're worried about pain, is you can ice your leg. And I say leg because this is my experience with intramuscular shots. I do mine in my thigh. People who have subcutaneous shot and you do it in your arm or in your stomach, you could probably ice it too. Don't drink if you're not legal. I'm not condoning that. If you're afraid of pain, you can ice it while you're getting your stuff ready. So like get a bag of ice or like a little freezer pack thing, whatever they're called. Put it on your leg or your arm or your stomach or wherever you do your shots, or wherever your partner or family member does your shots, and put it there while you're getting your stuff for your shot ready. And then once you take it off, it'll be like numbed a bit, and then you can inject, Also, to deal with pain, I was told from the nurses and also from my friend that you can pinch your thigh with the U shape. So like, per se, so like, let's say this is my thigh, right? I would pinch it like this, or I would pinch it like this, either way, if this is my left, I did it on my left thigh this week, so if this is my left thigh, I could pinch it like this, or I could pinch it like this, whichever way is more comfortable for you. Holding your needle, some people, like if this is a syringe, they inject straight in like that, it's no big deal. Some people also, when they inject in their thigh, they do it a different way than I do. I go straight down, 90 degrees. Some people do it 90 degrees, but on the side. Some people don't pinch, some people like to pinch their legs, some people do. It depends on how well you think you will deal with the pain. You gauge your pain, How I hold my needle is like, there's like, these are the 2 handles, right? So like, this is the syringe body, right? And these are the 2 handles. I hold it like this, like I carry the handles like this, and I hold the top of one of the handles and I push down, and then I put my thumb over the top and I push down, and sometimes I use 2 thumbs, because sometimes the little tube thing gets stuck. I don't know. It's happened once only, but sometimes it happens. How to prep yourself? I like to do my shots really early. Like, I shower at midnight on Thursdays, and then right after I shower, I'm clean, so like my thigh is clean. I still put the alcohol pad on it, and it's fine, but I like to do mine really fucking early. That way I don't forget later in the day. I don't miss a shot. I've never missed a shot. I do mine straight away, so I don't have as much anxiety, hopefully, later on in the day. Another thing for like 18 plus or 21 plus folks, I had a vape pen. I use it for like anxiety and like chronic pain and insomnia, but and I don't like do THC, I do it for like CBD, so like hemp and non-tobacco, like vape oils. Also, if you were legal to do anything with weed, whether it's smoking or vaping or edibles and shit, I'm sure some people do something with, I don't like weed, so like, if there is a ghost, let out a whistle. Okay. Thanks for watching. Oh my god, I swear to god, there's a ghost in this house. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.